Hi everyone, welcome to Center of Balance Live. This is number 50. I'm Phua from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist. Now, today's topic is how may acupuncture help you? Okay, so why we believe in acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine 100%, right? So yes, I have a new haircut. My daughter, you probably realize that I went out and bought a haircut kit that I did it myself, and my daughter helped me, and so this is the result. It's not perfect, but hey, good is good enough. Um, so that saved me about $20, about 1 or 2 months. There you go. Now, I come to the theory. Okay, the theory. Let's talk about why do we believe in acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine 100%. Okay, that's because you think about it. There are different type of medical system. Medicine, different type. It's Indian, Tibet, and in other ancient, very old method of medicines, right? And the modern medicines, okay, Western medicine, it used to be based on herbs, right? And only from now it's about 100 years, about 100 years. And the diagnosis of Western is more rely on the technologies, okay, on the lab report, on the scan, on the X-ray, on the CT. You may find that one thing that happen very commonly. If a lot of patients feel very tired, okay, and they go to the doctor, they say, "I feel ill. I feel very tired, low energy. This is not me." Okay, this is not me. The most that I heard from my patients say, "This is not me." I I feel very tired. I have pain. Grumpy, all this thing. And you go for a body checkup, a full blood test, a liver, white blood cell, or your iron, and everything's normal. And the doctor, and even you can do some scan if you hurt yourself, whatever, it came out all normal. And the doctor was, your GP won't do anything for you. Okay. Now you're not normal, but your GP won't do anything for you. Why is that? Because the Western diagnosis is not based on your symptoms. They not much care about how you feel right now. They more focus on what they can see, what they can find, okay, on the lab. If they can't find anything in there, they will do further investigation or more tests. If they do more tests and they still can't find out anything, there's nothing they can do for you. This is truth, right? But hey, I'm not saying anything they're wrong or they're right. Okay, I'm not saying they're wrong, we are right. No, we're not saying over this. We're talking about the truth. Okay. In Chinese medicines, okay, we're still using the same needles, okay, the same herbs for how many years? Not 100 years, 1,000 years. At least, or most people say 3,000. But in my finding in the book, very ancient book, it's more than 5,000 years. But change though, the needle used to be much thicker and much bigger, but we do it very fine because the technology. We do things for the technology because we be able to do the needle much smaller, much less pain. Okay, this is truth. We use herbs. Chinese medicine use herbs. We use cinnamon, we use date, we use angelica. We use the whole plant. We don't just take out some chemical things, a little things that put it in the lab and test it. Oh, this is good for heart. This is good for blah, blah, blah. This is good for diabetes. This is good for cholesterol. This is good for high blood pressure. Then we just take the simple thing out and feed to you. No. Have you ever heard about the vitamin C from the supplement and compare with from the apple or the orange is different. It's very different. One's nature. You want to get vitamin C, right? This is orange. This is tablet. Which one do you want to get it from? Yes, you do want to get it from orange because orange is the whole food. Plant-based nutrition is better than the pill. Okay, so you need to have this concept. Okay, when you have the idea of this concept, so you'll be able to make your own decision what way you want to go, what you want to do. Again, I'm not saying that this is right or this is wrong. Okay, I'm here to give you the information. So you need to know that people won't tell you, your doctor won't tell you, but I'm here to tell you. I'm here to share with you. So I hope that with this information in the future or right now, you can choose what you want. Okay, you can make the right decision for yourself. Okay, so it's all about information. Now, okay, let's talk about. So when it comes to, I'm 100% believe in acupuncture and Chinese medicine. Based on what? Based on the theory. So you probably can't see it because it's opposite, you see. Based on the Chinese medicine organ theory, we look at the on this chart. I've shown you many times already. Okay, I show you really in my very first video. Okay, then I can read it for you, because you can't see it. The organ theory. Okay, we believe the organs are the root of your entire body. Okay, we focus on qi and blood. What is qi and blood? Qi is energy. Okay, blood is what you can see, blood. Okay, we use yin yang theory. We use 5 element theory. Okay, because of this theory, is actually based in the nature. What is 5 elements? Wood. Can you find wood in the nature? Yes. In the universe? Yes. Okay. Metal. Can you find metal in the universe? Yes. Do we have metal in our body? Yes, we have. Then water. Do we need water? Can you see water in the nature, in the universe? Yes. Fire. Can you go without fire? No, you can't. And can we find anything that belongs to a fire in the nature and the universe? Yes, we can. Right. And metal, earth. You want earth. Do we need earth? Yes. All the ground. Without earth, we don't have any food. Right. All this is important. With this 5 element theory, because we believe that we are just part of the universe, a part of the universe. If we live in a human body, we live in the nature, we are part of the universe, then we have this 5 thing, which is called 5 elements. And the 5 elements link to 5 organs, the main organs that in our body. This is huge, it's important, because we understand the theory, how we understand the body work, that can't go without the nature, can't go without the universe. So this is very much different with Western medicines. Okay, so a simple thing: if you suffer from arthritis, You'll find it when it's raining, when it's winter, when it's cold, that you get more pain in the joint. Why is that? This is because of nature, when they change the weather, the universe change, the energy change. Heat is energy. The heat is less, then cold more. So the weather change, then it affect your body. You see how your body pain that effect from the nature, from the weather. This is how we link together. You can't go without the nature and the universe. That's why you can't say that I don't agree with 5 elements. It's because you don't understand 5 elements. It doesn't mean 5 elements doesn't work for you or it doesn't exist. Okay, so this is important. Based on this theory, okay, we know how they support each other, how they against each other, how they help each other. 5 elements is like a family members. So organs are like family members. They are brother and sisters. That mom and son, father and daughter live in your body. And they have their own functions. They have their own functionality. So what Chinese medicine can do is to restore the function of your organs. That's how we treat, when we treat blah blah blah, we treat blah blah blah. We actually don't treat it. Wow, this is huge. When you come say, can you treat me blah blah blah? I say, yes, we can. Sorry, we tell a lie because we don't treat it. We help your organs restore the function. When your organ restore the function, you gain the ability of self-heal ability. When your organs restore the function, you gain the self-heal ability. Then your body heal itself. This is how we put your body. We always call what we have to balance your organs. This organ is out of balance. This organ is out of balance. The heart is out of balance. Your kidney is out of balance. We put your kidney back to balance. We put your heart back to balance by using what? Acupuncture and Chinese herbs. Right? A lot of patients come in and say, well, can you help with this, this, this? Have you ever treated this? I have to be very honest to you. A lot of things that we have experienced, but excuse me, there are a lot of disease we don't have experience. But can we still help? Yes, we can. Why can I say that? Because we have different system compared with the Western medicines. And when you come in, the patient always asks, can you help with this, 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 this? You know about the Western medicine diagnosis. Way back and many, many years ago, 1,000 years ago, we don't have this diagnosis. We don't have the name of the diagnosis of Western medicines. So when we tell you, sorry, I don't have experience with this disease, it doesn't mean we can't help you. Because whatever your disease name, we do want to understand it, but in some point, it's not so important in Chinese medicines because it's just a name for a group of symptoms. You know, whatever your name, your diagnosed name from the Western medicine, it's just a name of a bunch of symptoms. So we want the symptoms. You have to tell me all the symptoms. So regarding of all the symptoms, we can put it down to what organs are out of balance. This is how we diagnose. You know, when we know what organs are out of balance, we have to take your pulse. We have to see your tongue. You know, we have to ask further question to check the organs. Then we're gonna come up with a Chinese medicine way of diagnosis. And this diagnosis is gonna help us to treat you, help us to give you herbs. We can't prescribe you herbs or put needle on you based on Western medicine diagnosis. We prescribe herbs and do acupuncture based on Chinese medicine diagnosis, because Chinese medicine and Western medicine are two different systems and come with two different theories. So I want to let you know in this video, I want to let you know what acupuncture can help you, and why can we help you, and how do you know we can help you? You have to take a very complete form. It's free online. Okay, go to our homepage, and there's a free 135 online form. That if you come to us, you spend an hour with us, we charge you 135. But if you do it online, it's free. Then in this form, we're gonna ask you a lot of details and questions, and you answer all these questions. It comes with hard and small intestine question. It asks you about your sleeping. It asks you about your circulation, whether you dream a lot or no, or whether you're anxious or unhappiness, or you see, we ask all those questions. And when we come to spleen and stomach, we ask about your diet. We ask about whether you feel bloating or you have pain in the tummy or not, and how your bowel motion, constipation or diarrhea, how many times do you go? Was there any pain? You see, any blood, any mucus? Was there any muscle cramping or dry lips and swelling? Water retention. All this question or heartburn. All this related to stomach and spleen function. And when it comes to lung and large intestine, we ask you about breathing, coughing, any mucus. Can you breathe properly? When you breathe in, is it because when you feel get short of breath, you breathe in harder or you breathe out harder? We need to know all these details. You see, and we ask about skin, because skin controlled by lung. You have itchiness or redness, eczema, asthma. All this question is from lung and large intestine. Kidney and bladder. Kidney and bladder control bone strength. Or again, lung and large intestine, we ask about whether you cry a lot, you get sadness, grief. All this belong to lung. Kidney and bladder control bone strength, brain functioning. Here, urine and reproductive system. So when we talk about this, do you have pain in the bone? Do you get fracture easily? When the older people, elderly people, okay, even you're very young, when you hurt yourself, you just get bone fracture, or you have bad teeth. All this consider of kidney function is not good, or urine, blood in the urine frequency, get up at night time to go to toilet. This is important in kidney function. Then what about brain functioning? You can't focus. Your memory is not good, whether it's short memory or long-term memory. Okay, you hear the hair falling out a lot, or you get gray hair a lot. Okay, we talk about urine frequency, urine or color in the urine. Okay, or a lot of women after having baby, after give birth baby, and they can't control the urine. Okay, and this is important too. That means the bladder function is not good. Then we need to treat bladder as well as kidney. You have urgency. You can't hold your urine. This is important too. About 9 out of 10 of women after birth, they suffer from urine problem. Right. What about liver and gallbladder? Oh yes, I forgot to mention about kidney, fear, scare. You know, you're scared of a lot of things and you fear a lot of things. This is kidney emotional issues. When kidney out of balance, you start to get fear easily. You're scared of a lot of things. Then, even that is on your dream, you dream of water, you dream of, people want to kill you, you dream of people want to catch you and you're running, you don't know where to go. All the scary thing in the dream, and that's belong to kidney too. Liver and gallbladder. Now, liver, it controls tendons and joint and nerve functioning. It also have a detoxification function. Now, tendons and joints, you get joint pains, you get nerve pain, all belong to liver functions. Okay, tendons, you have weak, and you get Parkinson, you shake your hand. A lot of people, they not even have Parkinson, but they shake their thumb. I have a lot of patients shake their thumb and hand shaking. They don't know what happened. And they want to stop it, they can't. But they haven't been diagnosed with Parkinson. That all sort of test, no Parkinson sign. You see, there's another sign. You have the symptom, but in the lab report and the blood test, they can't diagnose it with any Western disease name. Then this is what we put it down to, liver when it's shaking. Then we treat the liver. We help the liver function improve. Then this thing will slow down and slow down. Eventually, it will be fine. Okay. When liver out of balance, there's another thing is, so hi Bob, hi everyone. Someone's watching in my actually on my Instagram, so I just say hi. Oh, thank you, nice haircut. I did it myself. Well, with my daughter help. We just did it yesterday. I went out and bought a haircut kit. It costs us about $60. Yeah. So if I cut it for 3 times, and it saved me $60, and it's worth it. It just, what about it? It's just an idea came out, and then I just do it. Let's do it, and we get very exciting with my daughter, and sit in the bathroom, and then do my haircut, and do the vacuuming, and afterward, it's just new experience. Okay, and something fun with my daughter. So when liver and gallbladder out of balance, okay, and the emotional side, you may find very easy to get grumpy, angry easy, depression, irritable easily, and stress, impatient. All these emotional issues are from liver and gallbladder. Okay, now all this here, you see, tongue, mouth, nose, ear, eyes. This is not in Western medicine, not in any other medicines, only in Chinese medicines. When you come with eyes disease, okay. Oh, by the way, we specialize in treating eyes disease, okay. Macular degeneration, okay, and all sort of eye pain, redness, or gritty eyes, runny, watery, all this thing we treat liver. Ear, tinnitus, and deaf, your hearing ability is getting lower and lower. A lot of elderly people do that, suffer from this, and we treat that by improving kidney function. So ear, nose, sinus, we want to improve your lung. Lips, your lips dry, you peel the skin off. Spleen, tongue, we use tongue to diagnose, but I have patients recently have numbness in the tongue. What do we treat? We treat heart. We treat heart meridian. We put needle and then the results instantly. She was very happy. Okay, I have this case, and I'll do. If you're acupuncturist, I'll share this case. It's actually in my computer, and I just haven't time to share it with you yet, but I'll do it and share this case study to everyone. Okay, it's not a testimonial; it's just a technique sharing in acupuncture. And I hope this we're using balance method acupuncture, and that's working very well for this patient. Okay, now based on all this theory, okay, that's why I say I believe in acupuncture and Chinese medicine 100%. Because of this theory, it covers the organs are the root. It covers the entire body. It doesn't matter how complicated your symptom is. When you come to me, I always ask all sort of questions in the form. You fill in. When you fill the form in, you have an idea what's going on now. Oh, this organ's out of balance, this organ out of balance, but you just have an idea of knowing it. This is what we call information. But when it comes to treating, do we just use acupuncture and Chinese herbs? No. Acupuncture is just a way that we provide. And Chinese medicine is another way that we provide to you to help your organs restore the function. But do you need acupuncture and Chinese herbs together? No, you might just need acupuncture, you might just need herbs, or you do need both. Or you don't need those. You just need to have a good rest. And apart from Chinese medicine and acupuncture, that we do use TENS machines here. For those who are very scared of acupuncture, you don't have to have acupuncture. We have TENS machine, right? And we sometimes refer you to chiropractor, physiotherapy, and osteopath because they can do other job that combine with what we do. Now, I believe in Chinese medicine and acupuncture 100%, but do I believe in other medicine? Yes, I do believe in other medicine as well. What about Western medicine? Do I believe in it? Yes, but not fully. Okay, I know they're helping too. Okay, all other medicine are helping too. Homeopathic, I suggest my patients that have you ever tried homeopathic? You should try it. Because they are very open. They've tried all sorts, but they haven't tried homeopathic. Yeah, and I introduce them to homeopathic medicines. Okay, now I keep an open mind. Whatever can help my patient, I always support. Okay, and this is important. I find a lot of practitioners, they don't keep an open mind. They only believe in what they do. But what they do when it's come to it's not working for anything, and they just stuck in there and they don't believe in others. They don't keep an open mind. Okay, so I'm not that kind of person. I support you if you do other treatment and you come to me. As long as they're working, then that's good. You keep going, right? So the reason I believe in 100% in acupuncture and Chinese medicine is because we have very complete, very systemized organ theory. Okay, and the organ theory connect to the entire body, and that's how we get good at it in diagnose and treatment. Okay, now we just about half an hour of this video now. So this is for today. We're gonna talk tomorrow, and you stay awesome. And if you need any help, hey, they're free online form. You can sign up and go through it. Whether you want to come and see us or not, it doesn't matter. When you go through the form first, it's free. Then you see what you can find. Then you decide whether you want to come to see us. When you want to come to see us, it's only $40. We normally charge $120. For you, when you come for my video, it's only $40 for initial examination. Okay, initial examination is very important. We go through all your form, all your medical history, and we take your pulse, see your tongue. We need to check your structure as well. when we check your structure, then we have different acupuncture technique. When it's structural problem, we use foundation acupuncture that can balance the structure. So structure and organs, we need to work together. Okay. I will talk every Tuesday. We're going to talk about our technique. Okay. So next Tuesday we're going to talk about acupuncture technique. We have so many acupuncture technique that we can talk about. So then so yeah, fill in the form and get an understanding about yourself and the organ theory. Then you can decide whether you want to come in for initial examination or not. It's only $40. Or if you don't want to fill in the form and you don't want to come in for initial examination because you're unsure of anything yet, or everything yet, you're not sure whether we can help you or not, just by this video, it's not good enough, that's fine. Call 07 846 7956, 07 846 7956. Call our receptionist, Sanjita, to tell her that you want a pre-assessment, which is 15 minutes free. So one of our practitioner will see you to look at what's going on with you. So, and then it's free, okay? We'll let you know whether we can help you or not. From there, you can go to filling the form and then to come in for initial examination. So remember, you don't want to do the form, it's okay. You're not sure you want to, our service, it's okay. You come in for initial examination for 15 minutes and it's free. Okay, well, you stay awesome. It's Tuesday. We work from Tuesday to Saturday, so it's our first day of our clinic today. So I started in the afternoon until the 6 o'clock today. So I'm going to clinic to work now. So you stay awesome, and I love you all. See you. Bye bye. And so hi, Bob. So I'm going.